Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Identity Talks. Today, I'm joined by SailPoint's CTO, Asanka Jayasuriya. And Asanka recently joined us from Envision and has held leadership roles at companies like Atlassian and Amazon. And today, we're just going to learn a little more about who Asanka is and why he joined SailPoint. So, Asanka, welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, I guess our first question is, what drew you to SailPoint? You have a lot of really interesting tech leadership roles. So, what led you here?
Yeah, that's a great question. I've been involved in software development, particularly SaaS, I guess, for about 20 years. And, over that time, working through several different companies, the thing that resonated the most with me is to really join values-driven companies. And those are companies where, the values of how a company operates, how it interacts with its employees, with its customers are really foundational in the business. And SailPoint really emphasizes that with the 4 I's that are part of the core drivers for their values of how the company operates. And that's been very clear. The other major thing, obviously, is just the rapidly growing space that the company's part of. Identity and governance is so important, especially now as more and more companies are moving to the cloud. I just saw the opportunity to build some really great products with a really great team.
Yeah, that's so true. And I worked at SailPoint for 5 years, and I also feel that way about our values. So I think that's so interesting that seems to be a common link between people that join SailPoint. So I guess let's go back to that cloud comment. You said something the other day that was interesting to me. You said the identity problem is shifting to a cloud problem. So is that part of your kind of vision and your role? And what does that really mean?
Yeah, SailPoint is the market leader in governance with our IIQ product, built over the last decade really, and is the clear leader. But what we're seeing in the industry today is a very rapid shift from on-premise applications to cloud applications. And CIOs and IT departments are now having to provision applications in the cloud and provision them quickly. A new generation of worker, they want the best in breed SaaS tools and they want them available quickly. And the needs of IT to govern those applications haven't changed. So there's a huge opportunity for a company and team like ours with deep experience in governance to bring that capability to the cloud so that IT departments can quickly respond to users' needs for new applications, get them provisioned with the best tools, but still maintain that governance to ensure that their business remains secure and compliant.
Yeah, it's really that perfect mix of security and efficiency and compliance. We're seeing that across the board. So that's pretty compelling. Well, thank you so much for sharing that with us today, and we look forward to having you on again soon.
Thanks for having me.